Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. As we can see here, we are taking a quick look at Polygon today. I apologise for not being around for the past few days. I have been away on a trip, but I am back now, taking a look at the charts. Obviously, we've had quite a few things happening in the markets. A little bit of a catalyst, black swan event type situation with the potential liquidation of a bank. Basically, a bank run on, what was it, Silvergate Bank in Silicon Valley? Basically, causing crypto to have a big rollover a few days ago, and it looks like we've actually come down on Polygon specifically, back testing that 050 as you can see here. We've come down and got a really nice back test of this 050 area here. You can see we came into this area of structure as well, as you can see here on the charts very clearly. If you just look at what I am highlighting, you can see pretty clearly we've come down basically back down towards that $1 level. Obviously the 050 sitting at 96 cents, but you can see we wicked down all the way down to around 94 cents really into this previous area of structure swing low. And you can see we've got a very nice pickup over the past few days off of that level. Basically, we've basically bounced around that $1 mark, haven't we? You can see the wicks, the candles actually come all the way back up above $1, back tested that area, and we've actually had quite a nice little bounce over the past few days for crypto. We had obviously that black swan event causing markets to dump, everyone going with the dump, but bought up very nicely, to be honest. And if you actually look at what Bitcoin's done on its chart, you can see it's actually come down and back tested again that bear market resistance as support, which is really interesting. And a huge green candle yesterday for Bitcoin here, coming all the way back up into that previous area of structure at, in and around that 0.23 Fibonacci, but really sitting back up well up above 20k again. You can see we came down into around that 20k area, back tested that bear market resistance again as support here. You can see the breakout back test and another proper back test of that support here. That resistance flipped into support, I should say, of that bear market resistance, which is interesting. Also that 20k level, really a strong back tested level now. Very interesting that we've came back into that area at around 20k here. Lots of nice structure to the left in that area as well, and a very nice bounce to the upside here. You could see, you could say in the local area we're making those lower lows and lower highs, and we could see ourselves getting stuck under this previous swing low as a resistance here and coming down back down further. But interesting in my opinion how much Bitcoin has bounced there, and you can see obviously with Polygon being so correlated to it, just like most cryptos are right now, you can see we've got a nice bounce to the upside. And as I said before, the way that I'm trading this, I am averaging into a nice long position for Polygon. You can see I've got these small entries here all filled nicely, and I've got that nice fill at the 050. You can see here that I did put this on the chart here, and this did get filled. This is a much larger position than the other one, so really my average is probably sitting at around break even right now on this position that I've been averaging into. And really, I do think that we're probably going to start seeing a bit more of a bounce in this area, especially now that we have pretty much broken out of this resistance here that we've been under for a little while. You can see we tried to have a little bit of a breakout here, but then with that black swan event, we come down back down to this entry here. I got nicely filled on this big position, and then you can see here a clean breakout now of that resistance, and looking like we're probably gonna maybe get stuck under these EMAs here and maybe come back down, back test the 050 again maybe, and continue upwards. But I really do think that, Polygon's looking pretty juicy for maybe a bit more upside. A lot of people are saying that Bitcoin's also looking the same, and I do think realistically we're probably going to see a bit more upside for Polygon pretty soon. So in my opinion, I would say realistically we're probably looking at Polygon coming back up at least up to the 618 here. We are just playing the Fibonacci's, aren't we? Until we basically see ourselves moving in either direction, I will just be trading these fib levels because they have been holding very nicely for Polygon in the past, haven't they? So that is it for today, guys. Obviously a lot's been going on in the markets. We're really waiting to see what Bitcoin does, but I do think I'm still tending to feel quite bullish for the next few weeks, but we will see. But that is it for today, guys. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe if you haven't already, and if you do want to support the channel, please do consider becoming a YouTube member by clicking the join button down below. You'll get access to our private Discord where I'm hanging out most days with other investors, so if you do want to get an edge on the markets, that would be a great way to support the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.